How to send money from Coinmarketcap to Binance 2025 quick and easy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy guide, we're going to walk you through how to send money or crypto from Coinmarketcap to Binance. Yes, it's possible, but not the way you might think. We'll cover every step from finding coins on CoinMarketCap to transferring them to your Binance wallet. Stick around because I'll also share some bonus tips at the end to make your transfer smoother and safer. So, first things first, CoinMarketCap isn't a wallet you can hold or send funds directly from it. What you can do is use CoinMarketCap to track tokens, get real-time prices, and find contract addresses and transfer links for buying or selling tokens via third-party wallets and exchanges like Trust Wallet or MetaTask. So the actual transfer happens from your connected wallet or exchange, not CoinMarketCap directly. So let's say you are on CoinMarketCap and you found a coin you want to send to Binance, for example, USDT to Ethereum. So first of all, you have to go to CoinMarket official website like coinmarketcap.com from your web browser and search the coin you want like Ethereum. So here as you can see, the coin is Ethereum. And after that you have to scroll down to the market section uh, like here as you can see the market section, and after scrolling down to the market section look for Binance in the list of exchanges. So let's look for the Binance section on the market, and as you can see Binance Ethereum or USDT high, we can see that. And after that this shows the trading pair available like Ethereum USDT or Ethereum Bitcoin. So click on Binance will redirect you to the trading page. So it took us to the trading page, and as you can see this is the trading page, and or you can copy the contract address and use it in your wallet. And after that you have to connect your wallet. So for that CoinMarketCap allows you to connect your web3 wallet, and first of all you have to click the wallet icon on the top right. You have to click on the wallet icon on the top right as you can see, and after that you have to just connect your MetaMask or Trust wallet. Once connected, you can track your holdings, but transfers still happen in the wallet itself. So from CoinMarketCap, you have to click on Trade and select the DEX or exchange. It will redirect you to Trust Wallet, MetaTask, or PancakeSwap, depending on the coin. So let's walk through how to send the crypto to your Binance wallet. So first of all, you have to open your wallet like MetaTask or Trust Wallet, whatever it is, and select the coin you want to send to Ethereum, like Ethereum. Then you have to tap on Send, and after tapping on Send, you have to paste your Binance wallet address for the coin, like get this from Binance wallet, and after that the fiat. You have to go to the wallet section, and after that the fiat uh, and spot, and select deposit and choose coin, copy the address, choose the correct network. This is very important. For Ethereum you can use ERC20, for BNB you can use BEP20. Double check everything, then hit confirm. And what happens next? After you send the funds, you'll see a transaction confirmation in your wallet. The transfer usually takes a few minutes depending on network congestion. You can track it on a block explorer like Etherscan or BSC scan using the transaction hash. Once it arrives on Binance, you'll see it in your fiat and spot balance. So let me give you the bonus tips you were um, looking for. So triple check network compatibility. Sending Ethereum over BEP20 or to an ERC20 address will result in loss of funds. So after that, save frequent addresses on Binance. You can whitelist addresses for faster future transfers. And then you can use small test transfers if you are spending a large amount. Always test with $1 to $5 first. And after that, enable 2FA on both your wallet and Binance account. Security is key. And after that, use Binance's memo or tag feature correctly. Coin like XRP or XLM often need a memo. Don't skip this. So let me give you some advanced tips and common mistakes people often do. So before you wrap things up, here are a few advanced tips and common mistakes to avoid when moving crypto between wallets using Coinmarketcap as a bridge tool. So you can use native chains when possible. So transferring Ethereum on ERC20 can be expensive. If Binance supports Arbitrum or Optimism, you can use CoinMarketCap to locate those chains and save on fees dramatically. You can also use CoinMarketCap's portfolio feature and create a free account on CMC and build your own watch list. You can also simulate buying, selling tokens and minor performance like great for planning traders help before sending actual money to Binance, and don't rely solely on CMC for project validity. Just because a token is listed on CoinMarketCap doesn't mean it's safe. Always do your own research. Check the token's official website, audit status, verified social medias, and community feedback on platforms like Reddit or X, formerly Twitter. And make sure to bookmark trusted links. Like always, double check you are not being fished when clicking links to Binance or wallets from CoinMarketCap. Bookmark official domains and access them directly when possible. And let's go deeper into wallet and account safety, especially when you are moving real money. Never share your seed phrase, even with support agents. Real platforms will never ask. Use hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor if you are storing large amounts. Also consider enabling address whitelisting so that no one can send funds anywhere other than your pre-approved wallets. And that's it. While you can't technically send crypto from CoinMarketCap itself, it acts as a powerful tool for researching coins and jumping straight to a connected wallet or exchange. If this guide helps you, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions or want to see guides on Trust Wallet, MetaTask, or any other crypto tools. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.